You are God. You are not just be God. You are not just like you. You are a great God. You are God. You are not just be God. You are not just like you. You are a great God. Hi, if you are joining us for the first time, for you to understand this lesson, you can visit my YouTube channel and watch major scale versus major pentatonic scale first position, and make sure you do the assignment. When you have done the assignment, you can now proceed to the next video, which is major scale versus major pentatonic scale second position, and make sure you do the assignment as well. Thereafter, you can proceed to the next video, which is linking up the first position and the second position of major pentatonic scale. Thank you. In my previous video, I was able to fish out the major pentatonic scale from the major scale by detaching T and Fa. For example, on the first position of this G major, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, Ti, La, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Do, Ti, La, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Do. By fishing out Fa and Ti note from this first position, we arrived at the major pentatonic scale, which is Do, Re, Mi, Sol, La, Do, Re, Mi, Sol, La, Do, La, Sol, Mi, Re, Do, La, Sol, Mi, Re, Do. Second position of the major scale, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Fa, Mi, Re, Do, Ti, La, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Do, Ti, La, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Do. So by fishing out T and Fa note from this second position, we now arrived at Do, Re, Mi, Sol, La, Do, Re, Mi, Sol, La, Do, Re, Mi, Re, Do, La, Sol, Mi, Re, Do, La, Sol, Mi, Re, Do, which is major pentatonic scale second position. And we were able to link the first position and the second position. Do, Re, Mi, Sol, La, Do, Re, Mi, Sol, La, Do, Re, Mi, Re, Do, La, Sol, Mi, Re, Do, La, Sol, Mi, Re, Do. Of which I also said that we can link through any note. In this video, I'll be teaching on how to fish out the major pentatonic scale from the major scale third position. Still on G major, our root still remains on the third fret of the sixth string. The major scale, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Do, Ti, La, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Do, Ti, La, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Do. So it's time to fish out the major pentatonic scale from the major scale by detaching T and Fa from this third position of the major scale. On the sixth string, we have Mi, Fa, Sol, Mi, Fa, Sol. We are going to detach Fa from the sixth string. Once again, the major scale on the sixth string. Take note, the major scale on the sixth string, Mi, Fa, Sol. So we are to detach the Fa note here. Arriving at Mi, Sol, Mi, Sol, Mi, Sol. So on the sixth string, detaching the Fa note here, we now have Mi, Sol, Do, Re, Mi, Sol. Okay, the next string, which is the fifth string or A string, we are going to also do the same thing, detaching T or Fa. On this fifth string, we have La, Ti, Do, La, Ti, Do. So we only have T from this A string. Detaching T from the A string, we now arrive at La, Do. Once again, from the beginning, Do, Re, Mi, So, La, Do. Okay, the next string, which is the D string, or string 4, detaching T and Fa from this note here. On here we have Re, Mi, Fa, Re, Mi, Fa. On this first string, we are detaching Fa, detached. So arriving at Re, Mi, Re, Mi, Re, Mi. Once again, Do, Re, Mi, So, La, Do, Re, Mi. Okay, the next string, which is string 3 or G string, on this third position, we have So, La. So there is no T and Fa on the third string. So, La. There is no T or Fa on the third string. So let's proceed to the second string. We have the major scale T, Do, Re, T, Do, Re. So we are having a T here. We are going to detach T from this second string, arriving at Do, Re, Do, Re, Do, Re. Okay, let's proceed to the next string, which is the high E string. The major scale here is Mi, Fa, So. So we are detaching Fa from this high E string, arriving at Mi, So, Mi, So. We just arrived at the major pentatonic scale third position by detaching T and Fa note from the major scale third position. Have a look at the finger placement of the major pentatonic scale third position. From the root, once again, Do, Re, Mi. Now on the major pentatonic scale third position, So, La, La, Do, Re, Mi, So, La, Do, Re, Mi, So. Descending order, So, Mi, Re, Do, La, So, Mi, Re, Do, La, So, Mi, Re, Do, Re, Mi, So, La, Do, Re, Mi, So, La, Do, Re, Mi, So, So, Mi, Re, Do, La, So, Mi, Re, Do, La, So, Mi, Re, Do. I have an assignment for you as usual. You are to study the finger movement and finger placement of this third position of major pentatonic scale. For example, we have been using G here as our root. Do the same thing on G sharp, A sharp, B, and so on. Now I'm going to do the same thing on some of the keys. For example, on G sharp, Do, Re, Mi, So, La, Do, Re, Mi, So, La, Do, Re, Mi, So, So, Mi, Re, Do, La, So, Mi, Re, Do, La, So, Mi, Re, Do. The next key, A, Do, Re, Mi, So, La, Do, Re, Mi, So, La, Do, Re, Mi, So, So, Mi, Re, Do, La, The next key, A sharp, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, sol, mi, re, do. The next key, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, sol, re, do. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video of fourth position.